So assuming you have a document as Microsoft Word or Micro Access and you want to lock it for nobody to have access to it while it is on your system, or what are you going to do? Open the document. I want to make this document. I don't want anybody to have access to this document. What am I going to do? Once you open up the document, go to File. When you get to File, go to Info here. Click on the Info. Go to Protect Document. Click on it. Click on Encrypt with Password. Then enter the password you want to use. Then press OK. Confirm the password to make sure the password is the same thing as what you entered before, and that is going to lock the document. You can see the color now showing that the document have been locked. Then if I close up this, just click Save. You say, would you like to save changes? And click yes, so that this will work. So the next thing is, if you open up the document in Microsoft Word and then click on it, it will ask you for the password. So now enter the right password which you save it with, press enter, and that is going to open the document for you. If you want to close it up or remove it, go to File, return back to Info. You can see this is highlighted yellow. Click on it, then go to Encrypt with Password, remove all the password and click OK, and then close the document. Yes. So now if I click on it and return back to the document again, it is not going to ask me for password. So in Microsoft Excel, the same procedure. Now click on it, open. I want to lock this. Once it is open, go to File, go to Info, go to Protect Workbook, go to Encrypt with Password. Enter the password the way it is and press enter. Re-enter the password to confirm the password. Once it is done, it is locked. Close it up and it is saved. Now return back to it again. Let me click on Microsoft Excel and it is opening. Then click on it. It will definitely ask you for password. What if you enter the wrong password and click? It is going to tell you the password you supply is incorrect. Verify that the cap lock is off, key is off, and make sure you use the correct capitalization. So now return back again. Click on the document you want to open. It will bring out the password again. Enter the right password which you supplied. Click OK. It will open. So removing it, go to Info. Click on the same place, Protect Workbook. Click on Encrypt Password and make sure you remove this. Delete it like this. Select it and delete, and that's going to remove this from you. Please make sure it is a password you know. If not, you might end up losing the document, because once it is locked, you have issue unlocking it, and that means you can't have access to your document again. So make sure you know the password and make sure you enter it the way it's supposed to be, so that it can open the way mine is open. So once I am done with cleaning up this, the next thing is to click OK, then close it up this. Yes. Now return back to the Excel again and then click on the document. You see it won't ask you for passwords. So this is how you can protect your document while it's still on your local machine, so that nobody or everybody will not have access to it except you give them the password. So on this note, I think we'll be stopping here, except you have question. We'll be stopping here and go to another thing, except you have question, and if you have question you can ask. Okay.